Hello, my name is Andrea. I'm part of the customer success team at ZenWork, and today we are going to do a video on how to manually fill out a 941 form in your tax 1099 account. From the dashboard, you will click on Forms, choose the tax year that you want to fill out the form for. We're choosing 2024, and now we will scroll down and find Form 941. Right. In this section, you would choose the payer that you're working with, which quarter that you are filing for, and scroll down and fill out the information. For here, we're going to put that we did it for 30 people. All right. Then we would check box 4, and that way we don't have to fill out anything else. Yours could be different, so just fill out the information like you normally would and click Save and Continue. Here, we would check the first box. Now, these are not highlighted. If you do need to put the amounts in there, you would check the second box and fill in each month. But for this video, we're checking the first one. None of this apply to us. We are not a paid preparer, so we will click Save and Continue. Now we are on Form 8453 EMP. This information is all grayed out because it's everything that you have filled out on the previous pages. So you'll just scroll down, check one of these boxes, sign your name the best you can, and then type it. Category, select that in your title, and save and continue. And that will be how you fill out the 941 for a quarter. Thank you and have a great day.